Hello, welcome to my other episode of Do It Yourself. In this episode, I would like to show you how to replace the cabin filter for your Honda CR-V. This will apply for your CR-V model from 2012 to 2015, 2016. And I bought this from rockauto.com. You will see the link below. You can buy anywhere in any store at your preference. I'll show you the price as well too, and you can do some comparison. By the way, this is your carbon filter. I'm trying to get this higher end filter that has active carbons. Here is your glove compartment inside your Honda CR-V. So first of all, you empty all the stuff. Open this up. On both sides of the top, there's a little latch on both sides. Just press in, slightly push in, bend in a little bit. The glove compartment will drop down. And then there's a latch. Next thing, you want to loosen up the latch. So here is your latch. All you need to do is to loosen up this engage, push it down a little bit. Then you will see the whole glove compartment drop further down. Now, here is a filter on the top. I'm going to zoom in. The top part. Now this is behind your glove compartment. This is the filter. In each side of the keep filter cartridge holder, there's a little clip right here. There's a clip on this here, and there's another clip over here as well. So we're going to press on both hands, press the clip and remove the filter. Press it, and lift the lid out. And gently, carefully pull the filter out. Remember where the airflow is. Now you can see there's a lot of dirt here. I hope that you can see on the camera on the screen that there's an arrow pointing downward. That's where the airflow is. When you put a new filter, make sure this airflow arrow points the same way towards the floor. Here's my new cabin filter with active carbon. The carbon helps to remove some of the pollutant and smells. You don't have to buy this type, but I just bought a little high-end filters. You can just buy the regular white one. You can see it's kind of black color, gray, because of the carbon in it. Helpful hints: write down the day that you install the filter, so that in the future when you look back, you know when did you install the filter. There's a downward arrow. Again, I don't know if you can see it in your camera. There's a downward arrow pointing down. So that's where the filter is going to put it back the same orientation when you take it out. So we're going to put it back this way. Slice and gently push it back in. And then you're going to put the lid back there. click, and that's it. So that's very easy to do it. Now we're going to go back to connect the hinge on the side. So here's the hinge of your glove compartment that you want to engage back over here. Just lift the glove compartment and engage this hook. Push it back there. And close your glove compartment. This will click it automatically by itself. That's all. As you can see, it is very easy to replace the cabin air filter. I will see you on the next episode of Do It Yourself. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you. I will see you next time. Bye.